गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स। सो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको फार्माकोलॉजी को याद करने के लिए कुछ टिप्स देना चाहूँगी। Pharmacology is a very volatile subject. We all know that, and it's very, very difficult to remember the drugs, their mechanism of action, their class, then their adverse reaction, their drug interaction, and so on and so forth. So, the first tip that is found to be very effective is called as repeated reinforcement. Now, whenever you have a difficulty in remembering something, something is volatile, you have to repeatedly read it so that it gets reinforced in your brain, and when you repeatedly do it again and again, then it goes into your brain as a reflex. So for that, what you do is make small stickers of say one drug or one topic or one question pattern, and then you write in that very small in small alphabets, and just stick it on your study table or your room or whatever arrangement you have for studies. So just stick it there, and whenever you are feeling sleepy or you just had lunch and you are not feeling like studying much, so then that time you just go and read it. So repeatedly when you are reading it now, it will go into your brain, it will get hammered into your brain, and then you will not forget it. So that is the technique, first very important technique of repeated reinforcement to remember pharmacology as a subject for MCQs and for every other thing. Okay, so try to do this, it will help you a lot. Second thing, in remembering pharmacology or remembering the how to get maximum answers right. Now there are some questions which are fact based. You know, for fact based you have to memorize them. There's no other alternative. You just have to memorize it, ratify it. Okay, so fact based questions, ratify. Then there are some conceptual questions. So they are based on the mechanism of action, on the interactions, pharmacodynamic or pharmacokinetic or receptors. So in this case, you have to understand or remember the pharmacology behind it, the action, the concept which is behind it. And in that concept, that is why I started with the rapid revision series, in which I'm taking each and every chapter very properly in detail. That will help you to clarify your concepts also. So that second tip is there, that you have to go through the rapid revision videos, and you have to go back to the text so that your concepts get clear and you are able to solve the clinical scenario based questions. So that is the second tip. और थर्ड टिप है, जो मेरा चैनल है, इसका नाम है डॉक्टर प्रेरणा फार्मा, विच स्टैंड्स फॉर DPP, एंड DPP का मैंने एक फुल फॉर्म बनाया है, देखो, पढ़ो और फोड़ो. सो फोड़ो किसको? एग्जाम को. तो देखो, सी, पढ़ो, पढ़ो मतलब स्टडी, एंड फोड़ो, फोड़ो मीन्स जस्ट blast your exam. So देखो means you have to be very very vigilant, very very when you are reading something, don't just ऐसे नींद में हम पढ़ रहे हैं, आधा पढ़ रहे हैं आधा जा रहा है ऊपर से, ऐसा नहीं. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are studying, be very vigilant, be very present in that moment, and whatever you are studying, your mind has to be focused on that. So that is देखो. पढ़ो, बिना पढ़ाई के you cannot get a good mark, you cannot get a good rank. बिना पढ़ाई के there is no shortcut to hard work. You feel कि उसने तो कुछ नहीं करा, you feel कि उसने तो कुछ नहीं पढ़ा, उसने कुछ नहीं देखा, उसने कुछ इतनी मेहनत तो करी नहीं, मैंने तो बहुत मेहनत करी. ऐसा नहीं है, हर किसी की मेहनत का ही उसको मिलता है. सो आपको दिख रहा होगा कि, या आपको वो दिखा नहीं रहा है कि उसने कितनी मेहनत करी है, वो कैसे पढ़ता है. People hide a lot about how their studies, what is their study pattern. So you cannot trust people like that. You just remember in your heart that you will get success when you put in a lot of hard work. So there's no definition of how much hard work or what hard work. There's no parameter like that. But you should, for this 1 month period, just dedicatedly sit and study. So पढ़ो, एंड जब आप देखोगे और पढ़ोगे तब आप एग्जाम को फोड़ सकते हो. फोड़ के आओ, बाहर निकलो, एग्जाम हॉल के बाहर निकले, मैंने पेपर फोड़ दिया, मैंने पेपर ब्लास्ट कर दिया, ऐसा वाला कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए. और इस कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए आपको पहले विजिलेंट होना ज़रूरी है, प्रेजेंट होना ज़रूरी है, और पढ़ाई करनी ज़रूरी है. सो दीज आर माई 3 इंपॉर्टेंट टिप्स विच आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू स्टूडेंट्स. समरी में, मेक नोट्स, स्टिक देम ऑन द वॉल्स, एंड रिपीटेड reinforcements. Second, go to all the revision videos, go to the main content, and then understand the concept, understand the gist of pharmacology. And third is dekho, padho and fodo. This is the mool mantra that I would like to give it to you.